May I come in, sir?
Yes, please. Have a seat, please.
Thank you, sir.
So, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Govindo.
Govindo, can I see your ID?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. There you are.
Thank you, sir.
Now we are going to start with your topic. So, can I have your topic form, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. So, we are going to talk about
Free time activity.
okay, free time activity. So, first of all, what's your favorite free time activity?
Well, my favorite hobby is watching television. And so I spend most of my free time at home watching television because the only thing that relaxes and entertains me at home is watching television.
Okay, I see. So, how often do you watch TV?
Well, I usually watch television in the evening. Even sometimes I leave my television on while doing other activities. I think it improves my concentration as well.
Okay, let's see here. You said about your favorite TV channel. So, which television channel do you usually watch?
Well, I usually watch a National Geographic channel because I like watching documentaries, as documentaries are a great resource for learning new things and different lifestyles. And for this reason, I think National Geographic channel is the most popular channel for watching documentaries and different lifestyles.
Okay, I see. You also put here your favorite TV shows. What is one of your favorite TV shows?
Well, I always look for the shows that are either educational or entertaining, sometimes both. And for this reason, my favorite TV show is Brain Game, which is a popular science television series on National Geographic channel. Also, I get to play many mind-twisting and tricky puzzles and learn how our brain reacts to different situations through this program. As it's an interactive program, so it's kinda give your brain a workout.
So, are you going to watch TV tonight?
Of course, I'm going to watch a new episode of Brain Games.
Okay. You also mention here you don't like the advertisements on television. So, why is that?
Well, actually, it's really distracting, particularly while you're watching a program. Also, it blocks the content I want to watch, even though I have problems concentrating, and I often get frustrated during the ads. And because I have to wait for a while before the program finally starts again. Even sometimes I switch to another channel during the advertisements, and later while when I try to get back to the previous channel, I actually can't recall what I was watching actually.
Okay. Thank you very much for talking to me about your topic. So, do you have a question to ask me about free time?
Well, so what do you do in your free time?
Well, I usually play tennis, but I don't think I'm quite good at it.
Oh, this sounds well.
Thank you. We are going to talk about something different now. So, we are going to talk about music. So, what types of music do you like to listen to?
Well, I like to listen to pop music most because it has an engaging rhythm, repetitive lyrics, and an approachable music style that is easy to sing along. And pop music is just so catchy, you just can't get out of your head once you hear this type of song. And for this reason, while I'm listening to pop music, I feel like it helps me to relieve my stress and relax myself at the same time.
Okay, I see. So, when do you like to listen to music?
Well, I like to listen to music almost all the time, particularly while I'm cleaning my house, driving, or even lying around. I listen to music. I think it helps me to focus and enjoy multitasking. Even sometimes, if someone invites me to a party or dinner, and if there is a background music, then I can't pay attention to what they are saying. I just pay attention to the lyrics of the music.
So, do you enjoy singing?
Yes, of course, I enjoy singing. This is because I feel happy when I sing. And for this reason, while I'm doing other activities, and if I see no one around me, then I keep myself singing. And I can recall now, while I was at high school, I used to invite my friends over and just singing in groups.
Okay. So, How often do you sing now?
Well, I sing quite often, but not as much as before. It's only when I'm on my own I keep myself singing.
Okay, so can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can. Actually, I can play guitar, and I learned playing guitar while I was studying class 4, and still I enjoy it now. I think it helps me to relax and cheer me up, particularly while I'm feeling down.
Okay, so which musical instrument do you like listening to most?
I must say I love listening to guitar most because it's the most melodious and breathtaking form of music that sounds so soothing to my ear. Also, I really love how the notes blend together and sound so amazing.
Thank you. Now we'll move on and talk about something different. We are going to talk about your recent personal events. So, have you done something interesting recently?
Yes, I have. In fact, I went for fishing last weekend, and it was my first time fishing, so I really had a lot of fun.
So, did you catch any fish?
Yes, I caught a big fish.
So, do you think that you will go fishing again soon?
Yes, of course. Even I have a plan to go for fishing next weekend, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, so have you been to any parties recently?
Yes, I have. In fact, I have been to a birthday party of one of my intimate friends, and I enjoyed myself immensely. He hosted the party at his house, and a large number of people attended over there, including his family and friends. Also, the house was decorated with lights and balloons hanging from the ceiling, and it looked really beautiful.
I see. So, do you like going to parties?
Yes, I like going to parties. In fact, I'm a party lover. This is because I like being around people while having fun.
So, have you been anywhere interesting recently?
Well, I have been to the Tower of London 2 days before, and it was my first time experience, and I have done so many things over there.
Okay, so do you prefer going to family parties or parties given by friends?
Well, I actually prefer going to family parties because I get a lot of opportunity to see and meet all my family members and share my memories with them.
Okay, thank you. So, have you got a question for me either about music or recent personal events?
So, what types of music do you like to listen to?
Well, I like to listen the same type of music as you do, which is pop music.
Oh, that's really amazing.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the test.
Thank you, sir.